After the shower, I just wrap my hair in the towel, and I don't keep it wrapped up very long. I just like to put lotion on my body, and like that's how I time it. I used to put products in my hair, but now I don't. Just because my hair's so oily. It's summer. It's super oily. The only product I put in it is dry shampoo for my bangs. If you have bangs, dry shampoo is going to be your best friend. And then take a small like clip of some sort, and I just do that. That's all it is. Just so they dry in the middle. The rest of my hair, I just run my fingers through it. Kind of play around with it. And then I let it air dry. I never, ever, ever blow dry my hair. It's all dried. It's been like a few hours. Yes, I'm in my like pajama shirt. It's okay. So what I like to do is just spray my bangs a little bit with the dry shampoo. I use the R & Co Death Valley dry shampoo. For the tools today, I'm using my Eva straightener and then my Hot Tools 1-inch curling iron. These are what I use every day. And then I just section off my hair with these clips. You can get these literally anywhere. So while I do my hair, I'll explain how I cut my hair. I'm not going to show you guys because I don't cut it. I have a professional cut it. If you have short hair like me, you need to get it professionally done. Unless you are a professional. Because you cannot see back here. You cannot shave your own neck. It's like, if you want to try, that's your head. I'm not messing up mine just so you guys can see me make a YouTube video now. What I asked to get done is I like a blunt cut, so I get it all one like layer with a tiny layer as like just one layer. It's very tiny. It like comes to here. It's like this much shorter than the rest of my hair, and I get it thinned out because my hair is really thick, and when you have short hair you kind of want more thin hair because it looks a lot better. When I have thick hair and the short hair, I look like a mushroom. It's never the same every single time, and it always depends on who you go to. You could just ask them, say, hey, what do you think would look good? Like sometimes, you know, depending on your face shape, it might look better if it's shorter in the back and longer in the front, or if it's longer in the front and shorter in the back. It's just different for everyone. With the curling iron, I just take the clip and I just wrap it around just very quick. I don't keep it on that long. It's just to kind of get a curl going. And then I wrap it the other way. So I do every other direction when it comes to using the wand. No idea what I'm doing, but after a while it's just like second nature. And then I don't like it to be like super like curly, so I always kind of pull it down after. And before I move on to like the top layers, I always check the back to make sure, and usually like right here it's straight. So I gotta curl some pieces in here. And it's nice like having short hair because I don't really need to do like the very tiny part under here because you can't see it. You just can't see it. Mostly curled, so we're gonna call that good. And I have other curl techniques. I'll leave those videos linked down below. I don't like it when this happens either, when they're just like sticking out, so I curl them in. It kind of fixes them a little bit, but we'll fix it all later. Okay, top layer is a little bit different. I have to smooth this part out, so I just take, it's like not that much hair, honestly. I just take the straightener. I didn't even turn it on. Because of the marks of the clips, I just kind of smooth out this top part right here. And then taking the straightener, gotta put those pieces back. Don't make the shit out of me. I don't know about you guys, but like one side of my hair always looks better than the other. It's always this side, and then this side's just like, these are basically the shape of my bangs, kind of like a messy triangle. And if you can't really tell, they kind of go down. I got them cut to here 2 or 3 weeks ago. My hair grows really fast. Right here, these are the end pieces. And this is the middle part. Let's grab my trash. So I use nail cutting scissors. I don't use real scissors. I've tried real scissors, they just don't work with me. These I can get like every piece of hair. It's the best for bangs, not for like the rest of your hair. So I just start going in. And then I kind of cut up just to make them more messy. I recommend doing a little bit at a time. It's like the best advice I can give you. So they still need to be a lot shorter. So I'm gonna go in, take some more length off. The perfect length. I just need them to be a little bit shorter in the middle. So I take like the tiny, tiny bit of the middle and make them shorter. And the sides, these are the tricky parts. These are the pieces I suck at. But I take the ends of the middle, just like to look and see like where I need to cut to make it even. That actually turned out pretty good. I'm surprised. This middle piece still, it's too long. Okay, so like if we can get this side to match this side, perfect. And you know, you can choose to cut your bangs wet. I prefer not to. And I kind of like them to be messy anyways. They're not the most perfect cut bang, but I think that's what makes them look a lot better. And then I always just straighten my bangs, like just a little tiny bit. Just go like this. So that is it for my hair tutorial. Super simple, super easy. I keep it very simple, and same with like cutting the bangs. Like it's very easy to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. I have a ton of hairstyle videos on my channel, and I will leave those linked down below. Different hairstyles you can do with short hair. I mean, there's not like a whole lot we can do, but there's some stuff. But thank you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.